So Rory, you're over there.
Yeah, we pick the gun first.
All right, wait.
No,
We have to take Finn. We have to even it up.
Oh, Riley.
You have Riley too?
No, me and Finn are on the same thing.
All right, let's we get to pick our own. We get to pick guns first.
Gene, why is it shaking?
Kate, you're on
I'm like, I'm not shaking.
Okay. All right, we get to pick our guns first.
So if you get hit, you're out.
Okay.
All right, go. Pick up your guns.
Everybody go get your gun.
6 against 1 because you have mostly equal.
All right, now load up your guns. Don't take extra. You're not allowed to take extra ammunition because the ones that fall on the ground. No, that only has 2 bullets.
You get this gun.
I want this
What the hell? Sorry, that doesn't shoot anything.
I get the gun.
Do you need ammo in there?
Yes. Get that gun.
Make sure it's a good one.
This thing works, Aaron?
Wait, how do I get ammo?
Yeah.
This one only has 2 shots.
Wait, I need. Wait, is this 2 too? Is this 2?
You have like 100 shots?
No, I only get 12.
Well.
All right, Lisa, give me 2. Just remember, when everybody shoots at each other, there's bullets on the floor. You just pick them up and load it up.
Work?
Dude, that's
I got
the
none.
double-barrel shotgun.
And we're
So give me.
bullets.
Yeah, give me for the bullets.
That's bullshit, sir.
Oh my God, good.
I only need 1 bullet to put it right in your fucking head. Oh, I'm
You said in your head after the sentence.
I don't even think the curse was like the big problem there.
Oh wait,
Bullet in your head.
All right, load it up. Take yours.
I think you might have to bring it a little forward and then back. Yep.
I've never even had a Nerf.
Go get some ammunition.
Remember when Granny bought the 2 Nerf guns for the lady?
I know. No, 6. We gave them to them. They're all there.
You and Dylan need video.
Jerry, how do you load this? Like that?
You put it in like this, push it all, push it. No, you.
Where's the ammunition though? My girls have none.
Jerry's like, you don't need.
Take some ammunition, girls.
Nice, Kate. That's so cool.
All right.
We have to make the base for each team. Come on, Kate. You're not my team.
No, wait, I don't know how to work this one.
What do you mean? Come here, I'll show you.
Make the base.
This is the best one. Don't hit people in the face with it.
Push them down.
You push both of them in. You're only allowed to use these, so when you shoot them, make sure you get up and go get them. So you go
I'm
in,
not even on your team.
and then this clocks up like this
No,
at the same time.
I switched.
And you shoot one at a time.
Yeah, I switched.
But
because
that's the strongest one.
There's 2 people on our team.
No, because they've grown up.
I have 2 more.
You can't switch.
All right,
There's
plus
only
make
3
sure.
people on their team.
No, there's 4.
Rory,
Train
easy.
2.
Rory, it doesn't matter. It's all for fun. All right.
I have to help Kate get
Girl, guys, are you ready?
Almost ready.
That's like a crazy thing.
Why is there 20 shots in there? I have 2.
I know.
I
No
have
one took
2.
this one. Lainey was like, wait a second.
I got 2 cartridges.
Broken.
What's going on?
How do I shoot
How's
this?
this work?
Okay, let me see Finney.
No, that's not even. What, you getting a handgun? Come on.
Dude,
How's this work?
Here.
how do I shoot this?
Sit down, sit down. Just get down. Just get down. Hey, get down. Get down. It shoots 20 bullets. It's hard.
Oh, I got the little.
You shoot it by this.
Oh, wait.
You could pull this back. It's hard, and then you push this trigger.
I only have 2 shots.
It's crazy. Lainey has like a machine gun.
I know, no one took that.
I got bow and arrows. You guys, watch out for this one. All right, get in your positions.
Everyone get in your positions.
Guys, can you add
Whoa,
music
we're
to
staying
it,
down
by the way?
here?
Yeah.
No, we get the whole house.
No, just down here.
Kate, get down. Get
Should I just go and like record it?
You just record it here.
Get down. Get over here.
I think we should do one down here and then one down through the whole house.
No, because you won't find the bullets all over the place.
Gary, get over here.
Gary, down here.
Gary, down here.
Are we all right?
Ready? Go.
Billy,
their base.
Gary, get over there. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes.
So I got cartridges, bow and arrows.
I'll take it.
All right. Kate!
Wait, Finn, come on. Guys, come on.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got this to
No,
load it up.
just fire away and reload.
Jane, get in there.
If you get shot, yeah, I'll take it.
Wait, Jane, you need one.
No kidding. I got bow and arrows too. In the head, you're out. Yeah, headshot, you're out. What's going on in there?
Wait a minute.
He's stuck. Stop. Relax yourself. Oh, Finny, watch my finger.
Wait, no, you have to
All right,
hold.
You got it. There we go. It's okay, Finn. You just have to shoot that one.
Looks like just assassinated you.
No, let me fix it. I need to fix it.
Here, let me reach it with my hand, Finn. Can I get in there with my hand?
How about on the top? Ow.
Yeah, get it out. All right.
Okay.
Now, come on, let's go.
Now we're set.
Kate, get down! Get over the barrier, Kate! Get
Go,
over!
hide, Kate, hide.
Look,
No, no, no. No, 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 no.
Whoa, we got it!
Jane, get in there.
All right.
Why? Here,
Finn.
look. That's
Wait, Finn, wait.
We won already.
What happened?
Rory shot already. Rory.
No, it's not a big deal. Roar, Finn, quickly.
Don't pull the trigger again.
Finn, you cannot miss this. Come on, shake it off. Come on, they need you. Come on, be fun.
Finn, quick. Finn, quick.
Get over here.
Gotta go, Finn. This is all your idea. Come on, buddy.
You want to
Finn.
be on this team? Yeah. Okay.
All right,
We'll
come
just
on.
switch.
All right, come here, Finn.
Come on, get your thing. Come on, I'm recording this.
We're putting it on TV. We're putting it on YouTube.
Come on.
You can't miss this one. Lainey's gonna load it up. Come on. Let's
Come
go.
on. No, you got your gun right there.
No, come here. Do you want this one? Do you want this one? Why don't you take that one? I'll take one that.
All right, here we go.
All right, wait. Let Finn get
Everyone get position.
Get over there. Get over there.
No, he
Don't
wants to
shoot.
be on our. Okay.
Hold on, you guys are killing me here.
Hey, hide!
Took a whole bunch of time out.
I'm scared.
Ready?
No.
You got me. Oh.
Fire!
Come on, someone attack. Be aggressive.
Mackenzie, she's starting to yell at us to be aggressive. Want it, Jane? Want it? I shot you in the head. You're out. No, you're out.
I'm done now.
Gary, you better get some cover. You have to get cover, Gary.
Oh, I think I got a headshot.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Hey, hide.
Guys, here comes the bad boys. Just get ready.
Lady, come on, do it. Get down. Once you get hit, you're out.
You gotta keep going, Lainey, and it'll come because I think you're first.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, Kate, get down.
Kate, drop. Hide for cover.
I'm struggling so much.
Take cover.
Kate, get down.
Kate, take cover. Kate, take cover.
Oh, in the arm.
Kate, come here.
Shoot her.
Come here, Kate. Come here.
You're okay. Stay in here. Go in the tent.
I have no goal. I can't shoot.
I don't think this gun works.
Nothing works.
Lady doesn't know
You guys just didn't ask any questions.
Lady's like, I'm not sure. Yeah, I know where it is. Take cover, go! I need my ammo.
There's more ammo behind you, Riley.
Jane, what is Kate has the mega.
Oh boy. Mega should not be allowed. That's an outdoor one.
Somebody dropped this gun behind.
First off, I get 2 shots and you had a reload. That's my gun,
Who
bro.
has the machine gun?
Right here.
Automatic weapon.
Oh, my shoulder hurts. Here's
Oh,
Kate.
here comes Kate.
I have no. Oh, Jesus!
We won it!
No! You have to get everybody else!
Kate, that's alright.
Come on, Kate. Sit up here with me.
I'm out.
Failure.
Why would it go in there?